let's explore how to use a spotlight attachment to elevate our studio photography. I'm Thomas Eisl, professional photographer and visual artist. Welcome to my studio, welcome to this video tutorial. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a spotlight attachment? It is an optical device which is attached to a light source of your choice. And this optical device not only creates a focused beam of light through a system of lens elements, it also allows you to project patterns onto your subject or your scene. So for today's job, which is to shoot a cover shot 16:9 for social media, so you're gonna see a new cover shot on my socials very soon, I'm using a Zhiyun X100 light, well, the X100 RGB to be precise, and the Zhiyun ZY bayonet spotlight attachment. It is important to note that spotlight attachments can be quite pricey, but in case of the Zhiyun ZY mount, the price is quite reasonable, which is also why I invested in two of those. Be that as it may, let me show you the inserts for this spotlight attachment really quick. The inserts are small metal plates with laser cut patterns. Those range from window frames to window blinds, but also include exotic patterns which probably do not occur naturally. One of the many advantages when working with a continuous light source like the Zhiyun X100 is of course that you can always grab some B-roll footage like I did with my mobile filmmaking kit. If you are interested in how to build such a capable mobile filmmaking kit yourself on a budget, well, I've got just the right video for you up there. Be that as it may, let me wrap this video up by highlighting a few things about spotlight attachments. First and foremost, should you get one? Well, in my opinion, you should, because a spotlight attachment is one of those pieces of photographic equipment which truly add new creative possibilities to your kit. Effects you can create with a spot attachment are practically impossible to recreate otherwise. So really, this can be a tool that allows you to bring your clients interesting looks that they cannot get anywhere else. Also, these effects can be utilized not just for tabletop photography, not just for macro photography, you can also utilize those for portrait photography. And as the small spotlight attachment by Zhiyun is actually compact enough to just drop in your camera bag, I expect you to get quite a bit of use out of this investment. And as I've highlighted earlier, even a small spotlight attachment with a relatively small light source like the X100 I used for this cover shot here is powerful enough as a spotlight attachment creates a highly focused beam of light, effectively multiplying the output that you would normally get. So, really highly recommended. And before investing in a big spotlight attachment for Bowen's mount that you might only use in the studio once or twice, well, I can really recommend getting a compact one. That's, by the way, why I got 2 of those. They are really versatile and I expect to get a lot of use out of them. Now, that's my buyer's guide right there regarding spotlight attachments. But before I completely shut this video off, I'd like to invite you to support my work by becoming a channel member, by making a small donation, or by using one of the affiliate links which you can find down below. Your support is crucial to keep this channel going, to allow me to bring you this sort of educational content. So thanks for your support in advance and see you next time. I've got a few hours left before the next client shows up at my place, and yeah, I'm gonna make good use of my time by grabbing a few interesting still life shots around the studio. So I'm off and see you next time.